How to promote others videos. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to promote others videos on your Likee app easy and quick. So first thing, go to your Likee. Once you are here, click on those three lines up there and you gonna find the last option, which is more, and here you have Likee post. Click on it. Wait for a second and you're gonna find promote. You can promote your videos or promote others videos. Click on it, and here search for users, or you have recommended. On recommended, you're gonna find your friends or your followers. If you didn't find the person you want, that specific person, click their name here. Write their name and click on search. Once you find it, you can promote their videos. So this is, guys, don't forget to subscribe and like.